Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to Wednesday. I hope you are having a wonderful day and that you're getting lots of things done and enjoying the fact that it's actually warm today and the sun's back out. You can see the leaves on my tree outside my office are really starting to bloom, so it's going to be a great day. Get some exercise in outside today. I heard it's supposed to rain tomorrow, so get your fun in today while you can. Okay, let's look at the jobs for today. There is already a video going up for this. Make sure you catch that. Also, make sure you caught the typo that was in here. There should be an extra 0. There we got one was cut off on the thing. Add in 0. The comma's in the right spot, but there aren't enough place values in the period, so make sure you get that in. And then we are going to work on this momentarily. Today is for division of 4s. Make sure you pull out those cards. Remember, sometimes the 4 that you're dividing by might be one of the missing pieces. You're going to have to think as you divide out your cards. So make sure you have those handy. And then you've got your place value concentration to be working on today. I found some videos yesterday, so if my explanation at the end of the game wasn't helpful, there'll be a couple, like a Khan Academy video and another video that might help explain it a different way. So make sure you check those out if you're having a hard time. Right now, though, I want to dive into this story problem. So let me zoom it in just a little bit. Oops, got my bar in my way again. There we go. All right. It says, Mr. Mall needs to repaint the gym floor. The gym floor's dimensions are 120 feet by 98 feet. How many total square feet does he need to repaint? So, I know he's painting a gym floor. That floor is 120 feet by 98 feet. How many total square feet does he need to repaint? All right. If you've been staying up on top of your drawings, you should know right now what the label will be. It's kind of a tricky one. It's not one we used a ton in class. You know what it is? If you're thinking it's square feet, good for you. That will be our label this time because the question is asking us about square feet. New tricky question. Do you remember what square feet means for the kind of problem this is? If the word in your head is area, good for you. Anything square means we've got an area situation going on. Think like carpet or wall space or anything like that. We have a two-dimensional figure. We're trying to figure out what's inside of it. All right, so let's start going through our stuff. I know I am dealing with the gym floors paint. I know I'm measuring in square feet. Remember from yesterday, you could do this label too. It means the same thing, feet squared. Oops, you can't see that. Okay, square feet is the same thing as feet squared because when I go to write out my problem, it would really be a foot times a foot. And if you guys remember from exponents, that would mean that I have foot twice. Okay, so there's that. All right, let's start going through our model bar here. I only have one gym, so there's only going to be one bar. Well, the question is, what can I do to that bar? So let's see. Mr. Mall needs to repaint the gym floor. Outside of this information, not really helpful. I'm done. The gym floor's dimensions are 120 feet by 98 feet. Okay, now if you guys remember, we're doing area, and area equals length times width. So this one's kind of nice. It pretty much tells you what kind of problem I'm dealing with because to find the area, I need to have a length and a width. So this would be, if you watched the other video about my totals, parts, and whatever, this would be my total, my part, and my part. The parts go in the bar, the total goes at the end of the bar. Based on the fact that it's telling me I need a total, I know I'm going to be missing that. And now I know that I'm dealing with 120 feet by 98 feet. So I'm going to go and say that I have 98 feet for one foot, 98 feet on the second foot, 98 feet on the third one, all the way up until I have 98 feet 120 times. Remember, that comes from if this was my gym and this was the 120, this was the 98, I would have 98 feet for every one of these 120. So I would have it here, 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 98 times. That's this box. And I would go 120 times across it. That's this count across the bottom. The question is, how much is the whole gym? Which is why my question mark is at the end. Okay? You guys, if you've been paying attention, already know this is going to be multiplication because that's how I solve for area. Just be careful. Make sure that you do all of the place values going across. Some people like to neglect them or stop halfway through. You take the 8 through all the place values, add the placeholder because that's not a 9, it's a 9D, and then go back through all the place values, okay? Doesn't say what kind of method you have to use, so whatever method makes you happy, you just go right for it. All right? Have a great day.